when the issue of whether it was proposed or not came, you had called and there was the ayes. Now, some people stood, I know, I'm aware, to actually call for a division. So, Mr. Speaker, mine is to just say those of us who felt there's need for a division should also be given a chance. Those who are saying whether it was proposed, that was a different matter. So, Mr. Speaker, in that confusion, really, Mr. Speaker, justice is superior to the law. So, Mr. Speaker, if some of us needed a division over this matter, why can't we be given that chance?
Honorable Dr. Nyikal, you are a very experienced legislator.
Exactly.
Take your seat. Take your seat. When I think it's Robert Mbui who called for division, I heard him very clearly. From where I sit, I have a bird's eye view of the House, and only 8 members stood. You require 25. There were only 8 members, and I could see. So we have passed that matter. Let's move on to the next. Order number 9. Order number 9. The Health Amendment number 2 bill